let's go ahead and get started with our project. Make sure that you already have Construct 2 already downloaded. And like I said, it's highly recommended that you purchase the personal edition license so that way you can export to the Android format. Next, you will need to download the game asset pack, which I will include a link in this video. All you have to do is just click it and download it. It will be zipped up, so you will need to extract the asset folder. The best place to extract it would be on your desktop, as you can see here. One thing that we will need to do, as you can see, this Rex pause folder. What we need to do is we need to go to Start, go to File Explorer, and this PC, we need to navigate to the C directory, go to Program Files, Construct 2, Exporters, HTML5, and Plugins. We want to copy this folder, Rexplos, and we want to copy it here. I'm at paste here. As you can see that I've already done so here. And we have that settled. I would like to give a big special thanks to Vicky Wendelich for the wonderful graphics included in this asset pack. As you can see, the alligator and a couple other images from her, like the background and the cupcakes and food snacks in the UI. She also has a website called GameArtGuppy.com where you can also download her other assets. Some of them are free, some of them you have to pay for, but they're really nice looking. Like, for example, she has an Ice World platformer set that you can purchase to make a full-fledged game. Like I said, just give her, or show her some support by downloading and purchasing her assets.